In this video, let's learn how to reduce animations on apps. Now, when I open some application, we can see some animation preview. Let's learn how to remove this app's animation. Go to mobile settings, scroll down this page, go to accessibility option, click on this vision enhancement option, scroll down this page. In here you can see reduce animation option, you can enable it. Now I am going to my home screen. Now I press my home screen button. You can see how it works now. We cannot see any animation preview. Now I again open my gallery. It's open very fast. Now I am going to clear my recent apps. You can see the difference. They are cleaning very fastly. Now again I open my gallery. The application open very fastly. In this method you can remove your application animations.